Hey guys, so this is my plushie avatar. So every time I make a plushie video, I'm going to be introducing the video like this. So then everybody knows it's me. So I hope you enjoy it, and remember, I don't have anything to remember, but I just hope you enjoy. And if you're new, you really don't have to do this, but you could like and subscribe. Yeah, you could do it, but okay. Anyway, on to Bird High School. Yeah, I know it's weird, but let's go! Dun dun. Chica! Red and Space! Rotom, Woody Woodpecker, Blue from Space. Da 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 da. Bird High School. I can't wait for my first year of Bird High School. I've been so excited. I've been telling Freddie and Bonnie I should go. They all said no. Foxy didn't even bother to listen to me. Mangle said I should go. Yeah, totally. Why am I even wasting my time here? I should be in space blasting like, wah, pa, 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 pa. Instead, Chuck signed me up to a high school. I wonder how this is going to turn out. I'm not sure why I'm here. I'm not exactly a bird. Well, you consider my big electric arm thingies to be a bird. So yeah, deal with it. Sorry if you guys listen to this horrifying voice. I come from Spain, and I'm a 70s cartoon. Nobody really loves me. Gotta go fast! I just love speed, look! I'm so fast. I'm faster than anyone in this damn school. I'm the coolest. I'm pretty smart. 2 times 2 is 6. Dang it, no, I got it wrong. 4! Yeah, I got it right. Lightning speed! And I'm Teacher Red. I'm going to be teaching these lackluster students, so let's get on to Bird High School. Alright, class. Hello, I'm Mr. Red. And I know there's a counterpart of me, but that's how do I put this? Another part of me. This time I'm fat to be a teacher, okay? I'm Mr. Hoot Hoot. Don't call me that, I swear. You're going to principal's office. I'm just here for the sport activities, Mr. Red. Ah, look! Whoa, kid! Whoa, stop, kid! Stop! Whoa! You like my speed, Mr. Red? Yeah, it's amusing. You want to attention later? Wait, what was that? Oh, I better zoom back to detention. Woo! Big run up. Principal said I'm too fast, so Mr. Red, what type of cartoon making I'll be going to do? Also, I like poking your belly. Okay, man, I just wanted to say stop poking my belly, because it's really annoying. I'm also called Mr. Hoot Hoot, so yeah. Everyone show obey me in my class, okay? Sorry if there's not a plushie, I'm saying it. Get it. Well, I am strict. Okay. Excuse me? Do I qualify as a bird? Because I technically... And also, do I count as a bird? Because I have pretty long wings. I can fly. So, yeah, do I count as a bird? Yeah, I guess. Whoa! I'm finally graduating to high school, but in bird form. I'm sure I'm going to learn many things about birds. Woo! It's being really loud. Woohoo! Whoosh!
Okay, Mr. Red. I have one question for you.
What's that, Other Red?
How do you have legs and the designers didn't even make me have legs? I'm just a stupid ball that can fly out of slingshots. But it's something that he can't even do. So why?
Why? What do you want, Pepper? Why are you still here? Oh, crap. Yoshi Games forgot the movie.
Stop looking at me, butt!
Yeah, screw you. Please, can I have legs? No, I should be talking to you. Please, can I have legs? Think about it. When grown-ups say they'll think about it, it always means yes. Woohoo! Oh, one more student. It's going to get frustrating. Alright. Hey, Chica, you have to go.
Oh, I didn't realize. Hello.
I'm Chica. Yeah, I know who you are. What do you want? Is there any other girls in this classes? No, because no girls. Oh, I knew why Freddie and Bonnie didn't want me to sign up for this. Can I use the female bathroom, please? No. Why? Okay, now that everyone's introduced themselves, time for some quick math.
Okay, class. For this assignment, you must work together as a group. Because we're the only people that ever go to the school and waste my time. So you have to work together, basically.
Whoa! No! Partnership is the word! I don't mind it. I pretty much like partnership. I partnered up with the Pokedex once. Who's dreadful? Let's do this. I hate working together. I'd rather get things done myself. I'm pretty smart.
Cut out the space for my eye. I feel cool.
I don't want to feel cool. Actually, yeah, I do. Scrubby. Dumb. Ass pizza.
Okay, I just have one question.
What the hell is wrong with our teacher? You can't even stand up for it. Because you're squashing me. Also, what the
Okay, class, now that everything's set up, let's do this.
So you have to work in partnership, and guess who the Pokemon is? Besides the penguin. It's okay, I really don't get this. Holy mother. I can do this. This is easy. I can't see the sheet. These Pokemon look tasty in a way. What are you, woodpecker? Move your beak. Oh, sorry. Chica, stand up. So, it clearly looks like that's a Meowth.
Oh, are you freaking kidding me? That's obviously a Rattata.
Well, actually, it's a...
No way! I think I've found the perfect exclamation.
It's... Pikachu.
Oh my gosh, he's so smart. Woohoo! I'm gonna celebrate up in the, Japan. Celebrated, got me rockets.
Oh, I don't have any hands.
Oh, you're so smart. Yeah, it's Pikachu.
I was
gonna say meow stick, but okay, it totally looks like Pikachu. No, guys, you're not okay. Rodom, shut up. You don't know anything about Pokemon. I am a bloody Pokemon. Okay, class, what have you come up with? Okay, come and see us, teacher. Ah! You put down a Pikachu. You're the worst Pokemon masters I've ever seen in my life. It's a Lola meow. That's what I've been trying to say the whole time. They wouldn't listen to me. Class, silence. Okay, so the next one looks like. Oh, I think I know this one. It's Lucario. Yeah, she's right. It looks like a Lucario. Oh, it's totally a Lucario. It looks like peanut butter. Okay, class, you finished? Yes. Okay, what did we put down? Lucario. That's correct. Okay, continue. Next one looks like. Oh, I know this one. It's Venomoth. Trust me, it is. You done? Yep. I can fly. Hey, what'd you put down? Venomoth? That's a Butterfree dodos. I'll put that down. It's getting a punch in the face. Okay, the next one is Wobbuffet, because I've seen the anime and he looks cool. I think we can agree on that one. You done? No. Okay. No, it's a Quagsire. No, it's what? Just shut up, Chica. Trust me. Yeah, I actually flew. Anyway. Quagsire is wrong. It's Wobbuffet. You not seen the anime? Okay, guys. Clearly, we're Pokemon losers. Let's escape from school. I'll see you outside prison lane. I think I can just rip off of Mickey Mouse. I'm not sure, to be honest. My green devilish eyes. Bye. Woo, woo, woo. I can use my electrical layout. Electrical. I'll use my telekinesis powers on me. I have no source of escaping. Oh yeah, Springtrap's device. He's dead now because reasons. Here it is, the Pokeball. It can possess power. What power do I have? I think shape-shifting. Cool, I'm Sonic now. I can run away at the speed of sound. Wow, came back soon. You were saying? I'm here. Hey, dudes. Whoa, Sonic's here. Nah, just kidding. I have shape-shifting powers. See, Miss Chica. Well, we escaped the evil school. I have to go save Bomb. He's calling for help. Portal! Yeah, me too. I have to go home, guys. Peace. I have to go back to Spain, so. What? Well, I'm gonna go back to Pokemon Land. Through technical issues. I can hack into the professor's computer. He'll be surprised. Oh, looks like I'm going back to Freddy's. Also, thank you all for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video of Bird's High School. Wasn't exactly organized, but Yoshi will lead the rest. Wait, Bonnie's eating pizza. Oh crap, I gotta go. Woo! Everyone, it's me again after the episode of Bird High School. As you can see, it was kind of dramatic. Chica said thanks for watching the video, and I would say the same words, so thanks for watching the video. And, yeah. This is going to be my plushie avatar. I hope you all enjoy. I just want to say, it's not really going to be a huge shout out because he's probably not even watching. I just want to give a shout out to Sly Pie. He's been inspiration of mine to do this whole plushie thing. That's where I got the Springtrap power thing. Please don't copyright this video, Sly Pie. Also, I subscribe to you. You're cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all soon.